Immerse yourself in the world of newborn kittens, a world that remains dark for a little over a week. Yes, you heard it right. When kittens are born, their eyes remain sealed shut for the first 8 to 12 days. This is nature's way of protecting their underdeveloped eyes from harm. It's a fascinating process where their vision slowly comes to life, evolving over a period of several days. Imagine, one day everything is pitch black, and then gradually, shadows start forming, shapes start appearing, and a whole new world unfolds before their tiny eyes. This is the beautiful journey of a kitten's sight, from darkness to light. Stay curious, stay amazed, and until next time, remember, there's always more to learn about the captivating world around us.